Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Omriyas Creations. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys DIY explosion box. This is going to be very easy that you don't even have to buy fancy papers. This concept of explosion box full of memories would be a perfect gift for people on your list. So let's get into the video. To make this, I am taking a black card paper, making 12 cm squares on it and then cut it. After cutting it, I'll get something like this. Now I'm going to put this in a plus shape and stick it. As you can see, I have made 3 plus here that are in shape 12, 11 and 10 centimeter. Again I'm taking red card paper because I want 4 red card paper squares in size 10.5 centimeter. I'll be sticking these squares on the second layer. As you can see, I have these 3 layers. Now I'm going to decorate each of them one by one. Now I have some printed photographs. I also have some printed messages. I also have these tag sheets for decoration. I first edited these tag sheets on PixArt and then printed them. Now let's start decorating. I'm not going to explain much here because I'm going to decorate as much as I can. So now you just see how I decorate it all and follow it. And here I have decorated all the 3 layers of my explosion box. Now the final step for explosion box is to make the top. This part is going to be little tricky because the measurements need to be very perfect. For my top I cut 15 centimeter squares, and for fold I am leaving 3 centimeters on each side. I decorate my top of explosion box with some stickers. And now you have finished explosion box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is mentioned in the description box and on the screen. See you in my next video.